When planning a facility project, having a handle on cost is critical. With a built-in capability to price manufactured parts and track costs of purchased or off-the-shelf items, SOLIDWORKS aids in developing a budget very early and tracks it throughout the project. Facility and plant design typically involves large and complex systems. SOLIDWORKS provides powerful tools that enable you to interact with massive designs with ease. You can easily look into areas of interest, make notes, and even open up subsets of the model for editing, all in one environment. Controlling modifications and approvals for large designs is essential, and SOLIDWORKS provides a seamless integration with the Windows environment to manage projects and any documents assigned with them. This greatly helps with certification and compliance requirements for government or industry standards. When building large piping structures, integrated systems design and physical structure is vital. SOLIDWORKS supports bringing in process and instrumentation diagram information to automate piping routes and even the equipment associated with the layout. In SOLIDWORKS, you can drag and drop fixtures or joints onto the piping where you want them and in any desired orientation. Being parametric, it is simple to go back at any point and adjust dimensions or positions of any portion to accommodate changes. This saves an incredible amount of time. SOLIDWORKS libraries make it easy to reuse stock items and to automate as much of the design process as possible. Drawings detailing the systems are highly automated, making it a painless part of the workflow. To finish designs in less time, groups need to work in parallel, and the electrical and mechanical groups are no exception. Ensuring up-to-date information is shared can be a challenge, but SOLIDWORKS provides an integrated solution where changes to the machine or to the electrical systems are kept in sync, avoiding costly mistakes during manufacture and commissioning. Robust designs are a driving factor in any facility design. SOLIDWORKS provides simulation tools that enable you to quickly check the strength and durability of the structure to meet requirements, even for extreme situations such as meeting earthquake vibration standards. Ensuring performance before construction greatly reduces the time and cost of modifications after it is built. Understanding how parts go together in the assembly of complex structures can involve many challenges, so clear, unambiguous assembly and maintenance instructions are critical. SOLIDWORKS provides an extensive set of capabilities to develop content for guides in parallel with design, including standard printed collateral as well as 3D interactive content.